Nvidia GPUs have subtly changed the computational landscape by evolving from purely gaming tools to multi-purpose powerhouses that support everything from professional visualization to AI research. With its remarkable performance, the RTX 4070 Ti became a mid-range wonder that attracted both professionals and gamers. Its possible replacement, the RTX 5070 Ti, is now the subject of rumors. Let's explore all the leaks and whispers surrounding this upcoming GPU. The RTX 5070 Ti will feature Nvidia's revolutionary Blackwell architecture, which is a powerful graphics processing method. This architecture promises a subtle evolution in GPU design and is based on TSMC's innovative N4 silicon node. The GB203 GPU die is a prime example of Nvidia's strategic silicon engineering, which uses precise chip binning techniques to enable several performance tiers. In contrast to other generational jumps, its architecture prioritizes small but significant gains in overall computational density, tensor core efficiency, and parallel processing. For example, Blackwell CUDA cores have a better efficiency per clock cycle than the Ada Lovelace architecture used in the previous gen. To achieve the maximum performance from each transistor, the design philosophy places a strong emphasis on architectural refinement and makes use of sophisticated production techniques. With the architecture built for optimal performance across a variety of computational workloads, thermal control and power economy continue to be crucial factors. With 8,960 CUDA cores carefully distributed over 70 streaming multiprocessors, the RTX 5070 Ti stands out as a powerful processor. This setup offers a significant improvement over earlier generations and reflects a thoughtful approach to computational performance. GPU's expected operation within a 300-watt thermal design power range showcases significant computing potential and thermal headroom. Rumor has it that there are two main memory configurations, a 16GB setup on a 256-bit memory interface or a balanced 12GB configuration on a 192-bit bus. Nvidia's strategic approach to chip design is demonstrated by the underlying GB203 die, which is shared with the upcoming RTX 5080 and enables performance segmentation through exact core and memory configuration. Although there is debate on possible enhancements that could have a substantial effect on overall performance, clock speeds are still a fascinating mystery. The variations in boost and base clock speeds could significantly influence the GPU's real-world performance across different computational and graphical workloads. With its extensive feature set that goes beyond conventional graphics rendering capabilities, Nvidia's RTX 5070 Ti is set to deliver. With the promise of currently unheard-of visual accuracy and lifelike lighting simulations, advanced ray tracing systems are anticipated to achieve new heights. Significant performance and image quality gains are expected from the upcoming AI-driven upscaling solutions, which are probably a development of DLSS. Tensor core capabilities will be improved to provide faster machine learning and content production performance for professional and creative workflows. The most recent system architectures and display technologies are seamlessly integrated thanks to extensive support for PCIe 5.0 and DisplayPort 2.1a. It is anticipated that substantial advancements in video encoding and decoding capabilities will be made to accommodate content producers and video editors. Advanced power management algorithms will probably be incorporated into the GPU, increasing performance in a variety of computing contexts while preserving remarkable energy efficiency. Performance projections for the RTX 5070 Ti suggest a multifaceted approach to computational excellence. The 16% increase in CUDA cores, combined with potential architectural refinements, creates a compelling performance narrative. Early speculation indicates the card might deliver performance that challenges or potentially surpasses previous high-end offerings. The Blackwell architecture's potential for increased instructions per clock cycle represents a critical performance multiplier, promising improvements that extend beyond traditional metrics. Gaming performance is expected to demonstrate substantial gains, particularly in ray tracing and AI-enhanced rendering techniques. Professional workloads like complex 3D rendering, video editing, and machine learning tasks could experience transformative performance uplifts. The card is likely to excel in the 1440p to 4K resolution range, establishing a performance sweet spot for gamers. Tensor and ray tracing capabilities are anticipated to show exponential improvements compared to traditional rasterization performance. The RTX 5070 Ti is anticipated to be announced at CES 2025 in January, with possible market availability in the months that follow. The competitive environment, market dynamics, and the card's proven performance capabilities will probably have an impact on pricing tactics. Historical pricing trends suggest a launch price point consistent with previous mid-range flagship models, potentially ranging between $600 to $800. The rival products offered and consumer demand will all have an impact on the final pricing, with board partner designs perhaps appearing a little after the reference model introduction. Initial availability may be limited, which would raise anticipation among hardware fans. The transition from RTX 4070 Ti to 5070 Ti presents a nuanced evolution in GPU design philosophy. Unlike the dramatic generational leaps observed in previous architectures, this iteration emphasizes refined performance and efficiency improvements. The 16% CUDA core increase, while seemingly modest, hints at a more sophisticated approach to computational scaling. Power requirements show a conservative 15 watts increase, indicating a focus on efficiency. Performance gains are expected to be most pronounced in specialized workloads like ray tracing and AI-accelerated computations. The 5070 Ti will also have 6% more cores than the previous 4070 Ti super variant. While the improvements might appear incremental on technical specifications, real-world performance could reveal more substantial gains through architectural optimizations. The card aims to provide a balanced upgrade path, offering meaningful performance improvements without necessitating a complete system overhaul. The RTX 5070 Ti emerges as a fascinating proposition for tech enthusiasts and performance-driven users. While the GPU doesn't promise a revolutionary leap, it presents a measured, calculated upgrade that could appeal to a specific segment of users. The strengths include refined ray tracing capabilities, improved AI-driven rendering, and incremental performance gains. The balanced CUDA core increase and architectural optimizations suggest a thoughtful approach to technological progression. However, the GPU is not without potential drawbacks. The modest improvements might disappoint users expecting dramatic performance jumps, and the increased price tag could be a significant barrier for budget-conscious consumers. For users with RTX 3000 or early 4000 series cards, the 5070 Ti represents an intriguing upgrade path. Those with recent high-end GPUs might find the incremental improvements less compelling. Thanks for watching. Are you excited for this new RTX 5070 Ti? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to get more updates like this.